Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking to you about the concept of financial accounting. In a very brief way, we must understand financial accounting as a specialized branch of accounting which keeps a track of companies' financial transactions. Any registered legal company across the globe have one thing in common, and that is accounting. No matter what their business is, they need to know what is the financial status on a regular basis, and they need to meet the financial obligations to the locals or city or the state or to the nation or to any other taxing authorities. So after this session, you'll be able to explain the meaning and significance of accounting. You'll be able to define the different concepts of accounting conventions. You'll be able to understand the meaning of GAAP and IFRS. These two terms will be explained later on in this session. And at last, you'll be able to explain the cooperative accounting system. So the meaning of accounting. Accounting is the systematic process of identifying, recording, classifying, summarizing, interpreting, and communicating financial transactions. So in accounting, what it does is it gives a systematic process wherein we identify, record, classify, summarize, and then interpret data from the financial transactions of a given company. It is termed as the language of business due to this. Now we need to understand the importance of accounting. It helps us in maintaining a systematic record of all the business transactions. It helps in determining the operational profit and loss. It also helps us in determining the financial position of a business. It also helps us in facilitating a rational decision making in a company. Next, it helps us in communicating financial information to all the stakeholders, and it also gives an assistance to the management of a company. Financial accounting is the very need of a business to provide the information which is useful for sound economic decision making process, and owing to this diversification between ownership and management. So, being known as the language of business, accounting is the basic need of a business organization to find out where it stands and how it performs. Financial accounting is a specialized branch of accounting, like I said previously, which keeps a tracks of companies' financial transactions. So, using these standardized guidelines, the transactions are recorded, like I said, and then summarized and presented in a financial report or a financial statement, like we say, such as an income statement or a balance sheet. It helps to ascertain the net results in terms of profit or loss. It's also known as the income statement, by providing the information about financial position of the business to the owners of a business relating to what the entity owns in form of assets and what it owes in forms of liabilities at any given point of time. Accounting information is a valuable tool to the concerned managers to ensure whether or not the business entity is being directed in a way as wanted. While it's a means to provide the information to the investors to find out the future prospects of a business, it is also useful for the employees and the customers in order to know the condition of the business entity. Accounting is of a great assistance to management for planning, controlling, and decision making processes. It is with the help of accounting information that the performance of an entity can be appraised. At the same time, its methodical records make possible to eliminate the frauds and the thefts. Accounting is a must for every business. Exclusive of accounting leads to create chaos and discrepancies in business transactions. Companies rely on the financial reports being prepared by their accountants to be true and accurate, that in turn can lead a business management to make sound business decisions.